Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to delete your Facebook ID permanently. It's very easy, just you need to follow these steps. Open the app first, tap on the profile menu at the top right corner and go to the settings. Tap on Meta Account Center. Here you can see personal details, simply click on it. Then tap on Account Ownership and Control option. Again tap on Deactivation or Deletion option and choose the account you want to delete. Here choose the second Delete Profile option and tap Continue. Then give a reason why you want to delete and tap Continue again and again. Finally scroll down to the last and again tap on Continue and put your password to delete it permanently. So if this video helped you, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video.